People ask me all the time, hey Michael, how do I get my horse to stop pawing? Let's stop for a moment. Let's think about what a horse is naturally. A horse is a grazing animal, so a horse might as well be a shark. What I mean by that is whenever they're loose, they're always mumbling, bumbling, fumbling around, eating grass, moving here, moving there. They're like non-stop. If they're not asleep, they're moving. They're doing something. So whenever we get a horse and we start training them, that's a natural inclination. Whenever you get the horse and you start them, you start working them, and you tie them and take away their movement, then they start pawing because for the first time in their life, they're not allowed to move. What you have to understand when you see nice, well-broke horses is they've been taught to be patient. This mare is not patient on her own. She was trained to be that way.